Do you know that even healthy foods can be harmful when overeaten? You heard it right. While it's easy to think that all healthy foods can be consumed in unlimited quantities, that's a common misconception. Some nutritious foods and drinks can, in fact, have negative effects when overindulged. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 such items that might surprise you. So buckle up as we delve into these 7 nutritious yet potentially harmful foods and drinks. First on our list is the seemingly innocent fruit juice. While it's a popular choice for a quick vitamin boost, it's also loaded with sugars. Yes, even the all-natural, no-added sugar varieties. Overconsumption can lead to weight gain and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Why? Because when you juice a fruit, you're stripping away the fiber and just getting the sugar. It's like a sugar bomb for your body. So next time you reach for that juice carton, think twice. Remember, moderation is key, even with fruit juice. Next up are nuts, a popular health snack. Packed with heart-healthy fats, protein, and a range of vital nutrients, they're a win-win for your body. But here's a twist. These little nuggets of nutrition are also high in calories and fat. Overindulging can tip the scales, leading to weight gain. A walnut, for instance, contains about 185 calories. That's a lot packed into a small bite. So, enjoy your nuts, but remember, a handful is enough. Our third health hero with a dark side is the beloved avocado. It's a fantastic source of healthy fats and fiber, but it's also high in calories. Just one avocado can have up to 240 calories and 21 grams of fat. While this fat is healthy, too much of it can still lead to weight gain. It's all about balance. Just like everything else in life, moderation is key when it comes to avocados. So, savor your avocado toast, but keep it to a slice or two. Moving on to the 4th food on our list, dried fruits. Now don't get us wrong, dried fruits are packed with nutrients. However, the drying process significantly concentrates their sugar content, turning a healthy snack into a high-calorie treat. In fact, a handful of dried fruits can contain as much sugar as several pieces of fresh fruit. So, while they're a great option for a quick energy boost, they should be eaten in moderation. So, enjoy dried fruits sparingly, and reach for fresh fruits when you can. Next up is the staple of Mediterranean diets, olive oil. This golden liquid is a powerhouse of monounsaturated fats, offering numerous health benefits. However, it's important to keep in mind that olive oil is high in calories. Just 1 tablespoon contains around 120 calories. Overindulging can tip the scales, leading to unwanted weight gain. So, while it's a great addition to your diet, moderation is key. Remember, a little goes a long way with olive oil. Our penultimate food is the super grain, quinoa. A powerhouse of protein and fiber, quinoa is lauded for its numerous health benefits. But did you know that a single cup of cooked quinoa packs around 220 calories? That's more than a can of soda. Overindulging in this nutritious grain can quickly tip your caloric balance, potentially leading to weight gain. So, enjoy your quinoa, but be mindful of your portions. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap. We've explored 7 foods and drinks often mistaken for limitless health boosters: fruit juice, nuts, avocado, dried fruits, olive oil, and quinoa. Each carries unique health benefits, but, like all things in life, moderation is key. Overserving can lead to unintended consequences, nullifying their positive effects. It's crucial to practice portion control, even with these healthy options. Remember, when it comes to eating healthy, it's not just what you eat but how much you eat.